So, I'm going to do something interesting. I am going to do an unboxing video because I've never had a keyboard well, I do have the Model F, and that's back there. Probably should show that, but never had a keyboard come so boxed. Very, very boxed. So, there's my Iris, basically my daily driver, right? And what came in the mail was the LULU, which is over here on Boardsource, and this is actually my first Boardsource keyboard. I've managed not to get a Lily, surprisingly, and the website is always just crock full of awesome stuff, but I haven't ordered from here. Obviously, I've been doing Kebio stuff for a while. But I needed to try something new. I think I don't even remember when I pre-ordered this. It's been a while, and now it's not even for sale, yet it's so heavily packaged. So, okay, so let's let's see here. So every piece component that I bought in the group buy was creatively packaged. And I actually have another package coming with the screens, but that's okay. It was just shipped separately, but I just wanted to show this. So, yeah, so the LULU. It's packaged very nicely. Everything is in like foam inserts, and oh my god, I mean, it is a definitely beautiful little keyboard here. Has foam inserts, which is awesome. Yeah, I mean, pretty sick. Let's check this out. Let's get the pieces out. Now, I decided to spend an extra $100 on junk for this thing, which meant, although I have the awesome bottoms it comes with, gonna love the sticker, right? There is some awesome polycarb bottoms for these, so things go down. I mean, I'm so this is not mass produced. Like, this is so nice. I'm guessing they're gonna mass produce it. I mean, jeez, look at this. It's like a polycarb, and it's got the rubber all the way around. Yeah, I'm not. Jeez, man, as a person that hasn't been buying like these gasketed kits, I just don't have time for that. I am shocked at the value of this. So I have these polycarb parts, so that's just the case. Then you have the actual tinting kits, all right, and the tinting kits are awesome, because the tinting kits have, I mean, so I got this is the orange bottom, so I bought the orange bottom too, because I figured that. I mean, the tinting kits have like rubber options there, and screw in creatively, and Jesus, oh my gosh, what is even going on here? Okay, so tinting kits. I got clear and orange, and then I got a set of lower pieces, and just again, all this stuff costs extra to do you buy each of the things separately, so I guess that's why it's in different boxes, but it is insane to have this much packaging. I almost hate it. I almost hate the packaging, because I'm not going to want to throw away the boxes. I actually have an attic filled with like boxes like that. It's not going to want to throw this away, but I'm not going to need it. There we go. So this is the orange bottoms, and I was a little worried how this will look. Maybe this will look okay. Let's see here. Orange bottom there. Oh yeah. Yeah. So that's just going to go in there, and there's screws, but this all kind of fits together gasket wise, I think. So wait, let me get. So it should all just fit together really nicely. At least that's the hope. And be this really kind of well constructed keyboard there. Oops, kind of in the dark. Probably should have. Terrible video there, but yeah. So, and then we have PCBs. Very awesome little construction there. It's bottom facing LEDs, which is fine. I am getting kind of used to the top mounted one so I can have this, but that is totally fine. This is going to give me an excuse to use some different keycaps for this. TRS jack. Huh. Interesting. So, oh god, this is actually kind of scary. This is a little scary. Am I gonna need to use a X-Acto knife? Like, I've done like scored things before, but this is really attached. Yeesh, this is a little scary. So these are, yeah, I'm gonna get something to score these with. I'll do that in a different video. I'm just kind of open this up. This is really attached. Not happy with that. There's not a lot of scoring lines. It's like, oh god. Ay, ay, ay. That is scary. Oh god, that's scary. I mean, no, this is not like a being too critical, but I'll just be honest, I don't like that little amount of scoring there. I'll probably have to take some, it should be fine. It should be fine. I'm just being a wimp. I'm just being a wimp. Probably someone's going to tell me I'm doing this wrong, but there. Let's see here. Yeah, I have some nice TRS jack there. This should work really well. I don't have the LEDs, but turning this on should produce something, right? No default stuff. Mess it up. Oh, whoa! You are bright. LULU is a drive? What? Wait, hold on. Let me... This is like a really unfiltered video, but... Okay, hold on. Let me capture this real quick. So, LULU is a drive. Yeah, good luck taking this to somewhere. Why is LULU a drive? LULU uses KMK. I don't know what's in here. I got my computer acting wonky here, but I'm a little confused. I'm a little confused here. So these are the LEDs. Okay. And something is shorting, which really sucks. So, okay. So LULU is definitely interesting. Let's get all this mess out of the way here. This is a really fun. I have a new kid. I'm tired. I just wanted to post a video, so excuse me. But yeah. So regardless of LULU being a drive, we'll program this however it needs to be programmed. It should just all fit in really nicely with the gasket. Here, put that in there. Oh yeah. Oh, and my idiot self doesn't have a screwdriver handy. You idiot, Phil. You idiot. So they didn't provide extra screws. There's only the screws that are in here, huh? They're probably just M2 screws. Now that's interesting. So it's only four screws to mount this. Can I use these? Is this completely toolless? Is that what these are? Let's see. That I didn't even need. So this whole thing looks to be toolless, but obviously I'm just test rigging this. Because I still need to put the screens on top of it. And so some screens will go on there, and then there'll also be a rotary encoder that goes here. So I got some rotary encoders, which are not hot swap, right? I don't believe these rotary encoders are hot swap. But they're pretty sick. Because look at this. I mean, got kind of a zoom here. If I double click. So these rotary encoder parts go on here. It's pretty cool, right? Can I have a little knob? Oh my god. I mean, this may be my daily driver very soon. Even though I have 4 irises. This keyboard seems very mature. I just have to make sure it's all programmed and everything. I do got to get the screen on it. It seems almost completely toolless. I mean, completely solderless, though. I don't know. I'm not sure if the rotary encoders are. So they definitely don't look like they're hot swap. But that's okay. I can solder those parts easy. they may just work when you just put them in. Like sadly, like it may be that just works, even though it should be soldered in. I just have this feeling it'll just work. But I guess I will have to program this. But it is very bright. Oh. Terrible. Terrible me. So, this was a junk of a freaking video. An absolute trash heap of a video. But I am going to upload it anyway, because look at the boxing. It's a lot of boxing. Oh, man. I mean, it's a very pretty keyboard. It's pretty, right? About the same weight as my Iris. Oh, so my Iris is very similarly constructed. I have a polycarb bottom, so that like the smoked bottom, and then I have aluminum top. So this has treated me very well the last while. This thing has worked really well. I guess I just have to figure out how to program this, get the screens, and then I will have a keyboard to test out and maybe share with the world what this is like. Alright then. Thanks for watching this really terrible video. Bye.